Hello and welcome to Picture This. I'm Bruce Malone and today we are in Chicago. We're at the Bean in Chicago, which is one of the amazing tourist attractions. So come on along and picture this. So here at the airport, you can buy a ticket and use it for 3 days. One ticket, bus and train. That's Chicago transportation.
Doors closing.
So here in Chicago, you don't need to rent a car because there's great public transportation. But I'll tell you one thing, you're going to do a lot of walking. So wear comfortable shoes. So it's a beautiful day here in Chicago. We're walking in the sunshine, walking everywhere. As I mentioned before, one of the great things you can do is get a 3-day pass. Here is our 3-day pass. I'm going to show you how we use it to take the bus. So let's go Chicago. Today we're going to take the number 3 bus. Here's the number 3 bus going in the other direction from where we're going to go. We're going to cross the street and we're going to use our pass, our 3-day pass, and ride the number 3 bus. That's 2 3s. Let's go, Chicago! So here we go, we're going to use our pass. You just tap the pass like this, and you're in. One of the great things you can do in Chicago is take an architectural tour of the city buildings. So we're on the tour today. Come on! That's the Chicago Arts Institute. So we've got these earpieces in now so we can hear the tour operator giving us all the information. It's amazing.
This is what Chicago looked like prior to the fire. That changed with the restrictions. Now these sculptures above the doors, with the exception of two are, this is what we're
in Chicago. Let's ask the people from Chicago.
The people from Chicago have no idea.
All right, let's go this way. Thanks for watching Picture This with Bruce Malone in Chicago, Illinois. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.